One and all. My name is Niranjan. I am studying 8th class, A section. My school name is SKB ZPHS. We have participated Viksit Bharat Marathon.
My name is Virendra, 9th class D section. Project name. Project.
My project name is Heritage and Sports. Inclusion in school and college curriculum teach traditional games like kabaddi, kho-kho, vallam kali, gilli danda, etc. Regular competitions to keep students engaged. Government supported and funding allocate funds for infrastructure, training and events, provide incentives or scholarships for athletes in indigenous sports, organizing local and national create platforms like national indigenous games. Use these events to scout and train talent. Recognition and awards. Honor traditional sports people with national state awards. Include indigenous sports in national sports ranking and federations. Thank you to all.